Hello everyone. The 2025 Ram 1500 RHO and the 2024 Ram TRX are part of a rarified group of super trucks. Both models offer impressive capabilities and designs that cater to specific market segment. Even so, they diverge significantly in terms of power, engine configurations, but still have the same design intent. The question or thought on everyone's mind is, does the RHO replace the TRX? The short of the answer is yes, but also no. The TRX will no longer be offered as new in 2025, but this does not mean it will not return in the future. As such, the RHO will replace the TRX as the flagship sport truck next year, however, will not replace the TRX. Got it? Here's a closer look at several aspects that set these two trucks apart. The heart of any performance vehicle is its engine, and this is where the TRX and RHO distinctly differ. The Ram TRX is equipped with a supercharged 6.2L V8 Hellcat engine, a behemoth that produces a staggering 702 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. This is the Hellcat engine, which is synonymous with raw power and sheer force. With it, the TRX capable of transforming any off-road experience into a mind-blowing experience. On the other hand, the Ram 1500 RHO takes a different approach with a twin-turbo 3.0L inline-six engine that offers a still very respectable 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. While it may not match the TRX's Herculean figures, the RHO's engine is still a formidable power plant that still makes it one of the most powerful, full-size trucks available for sale. Performance isn't just about raw power, it's also measured by how a vehicle handles that power. The TRX rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.5 seconds, just edging out the RHO, which achieves the same feat in 4.6 seconds. In measured dashes, the differences are barely more pronounced between the TRX and the RHO. The TRX hits 100 miles per hour in 10.5 seconds and crushes the quarter mile in 12.9 seconds at 174 kilometers per hour. Meanwhile, the RHO covers the 0-100 miles per hour sprint in 11.7 seconds. It also does well in quarter-mile runs, completing them in 13.1 seconds at a speed of 169 kilometers per hour. Both trucks feature robust builds tailored for stability and capability beyond the paved roads. And this is largely why a link has been created by all between the TRX and RHO. Both feature a unique hourglass body design and purposeful and aggressive stance. Truth be told, from nearby, with decals removed, it would be difficult to tell them apart, especially with the engines off. The RHO adds functional elements like a high-flow air filter and a valved exhaust system that modulates sound. Even so, nothing matches the glorious bellow of a V8 iced with the eardrum-shredding whine of a supercharger. The RHO, however, is lighter and more agile than the TRX. The i6 relieves the front axle of up to 180 pounds, while overall weight drops by 150 pounds. Both ride on Bilstein Black Hawk E2 adaptive performance shocks. For the RHO, they've been returned for improved on-road handling without putting a scratch on its class-leading off-road abilities. When it comes to market positioning, the TRX and RHO are aimed at different but similar buyers. The TRX, with its more exclusive positioning, starts at a higher price point, $98,335 in the US and about $25,000 in Canada. Conversely, the Ram 1500 RHO is slightly more accessibly priced at $69,195 in US, $11,2945 in Canada, and targets consumers looking for a balance between high performance and on-road civility. This pricing strategy makes the RHO an attractive option in the US for those who desire robust performance without the premium price tag of the TRX. As such, the RHO effectively competes with the Ford F-150 Raptor and not the R, as the TRX did. Other direct competitors are now the Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2. The 2025 Ram 1500 RHO might be a TRX light on paper, but on and off the road, everything points to it being just as capable of catering to extreme performance enthusiasts. That's the good news, and we look forward to sampling the RHO. The gooder news is that the return of a TRX seems obvious. And if Stellantis and Ram do what they do best, the next T-Rex will be a 1,000 horsepower plus all-electric mountain mover and jumper. I would like to hear your opinion about new 2025 Ram 1500 RHO, and I'll be waiting for it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, not to miss the latest news from the world of automobiles. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.